Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama Beach and I'm here today to do a reveal of a bag that I just picked up by Gucci. And it is a really exciting bag. It is one that is long overdue to be part of my collection because you guys know I love a good crossbody, and this Gucci crossbody is so iconic. So many people have it and love it, so I'm really excited to add it to my collection. It came with this Gucci dust bag, and then the seller also sent some Anastasia lip glosses with it, which was super nice. So the bag I picked up is the Gucci Soho Disco, and this is in the pebbled leather, and it is the color purple. And this will probably look a little familiar to you because I just unboxed a similar bag on my channel, and I will link that unboxing below. It usually sits up on this shelf, which is why it's missing. It is the Gucci Soho tote in that same purple color. And so I picked this up because I'm curious to see if I try this out and I like it. I will probably keep this piece and sell the tote to one of my good friends who is a collector and already contacted me wanting to buy it from me because she's been looking for it. So I definitely want to give this a try over the next couple of weeks and see if I like it. I think I'm going to invest in a bag shaper for this because I know this style is very prone to have structural breakdown, and just in terms of how it's made and constructed, you'll often see really worn ones on the resale market that are barely even a rectangle anymore just because of the nature of the soft pebbled leather. It's going to get soft and smushy over time, so I definitely want to invest in some sort of structural organizer for the inside. So I just want to take you on a quick tour of this little bag today, show you what fits. Trust me, it packs a punch despite the size. And I'm going to show you some mod shots about what it looks like on the body so you kind of know the general scale of what it looks like. So in terms of details, it's a pretty simply designed bag. It has that classic rectangular kind of lunch pail mailbox type shape, and you can see here it has the interlocking GG logo, which is sewn onto the front of the bag. The main detail that this bag has that's really the standout is this long tassel zipper pull, which I absolutely love because you guys know I love a big tassel. So you get the functionality of it being the zipper pull, but also that design feature of kind of like a built-in bag charm, which is so nice. The back is plain. There's no outside pockets on this bag, no feet on this bag. You can see, like I said, pretty simple design. And it has an adjustable strap. It's just a two-piece strap, so you cannot shorten it to like a short drop shoulder length. You have to wear it crossbody, or you have it as like a really long drop shoulder. We'll try that out in the mod shot portion and see how that looks. And then on the interior, it is fabric with a couple of slip pockets, but also pretty simple on the inside. Let me show you some of what fits in here. I'm taking it out of the bag that I'm currently carrying, which is still from Coach, the Rambler, and it has been a great bag, just FYI. Let me see what it looks like with a full-size wallet in here. I pulled out a full-size wallet. I'm not currently carrying one, but I just want to see, will that fit? That does fit. And actually, you still have plenty of space in there. So if you're somebody that needs a full-size wallet, just know that this style will work just fine. Also, just so you know, I have a huge smartphone. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, and it fits in here with no problem. So not an issue for full-size wallets, not an issue for large smartphones, will definitely fit. I am currently carrying this small little snap card case, so I'm going to put that in. I'm also going to put in my little pouch that I always carry with me right next to it. Then I'm going to put my car keys in one of the slip pockets so that they don't get lost in the bag. I'm also going to put some other small items in the other slip pocket. So I have a little hand sanitizer, a little lip product, and let's see, I think I also have some eye drops that I've been carrying around. Yep. So those will all go in the slip pockets. So that's how that's shaping up on the inside. Let me see what else I got here. Will an umbrella fit? Let's find out. I think it's gonna be tight. I think it's doable. It's doable if you really had to do it. It takes up most of the space. You kind of have to lay it in diagonally, but it will fit if you're in a pinch and you really want to bring an umbrella with you. I also have a sunglass case here. Let's try putting that in. And I think that will fit better than the umbrella. It also takes up a lot of the space, but definitely will work if you need to carry eyeglasses or sunglasses with you. And let's see, what if I wanted to carry a bigger size pouch in here? Let's see if that would work. Yep, that also works great. So you can see there's a lot of different ways you can organize this bag. You can fit like one large item and then a couple other small pouches or small key clays. You're not going to be able to put an umbrella and a sunglasses case and a wallet. You're going to have to pare down your stuff a little bit and kind of be selective about what you're carrying. But I think that rings true for most crossbody bags. So let me get up now and show you guys some mod shots about what this looks like on the body. I will show you crossbody and I will also show you a long shoulder carry. All right, this is my Gucci Soho Disco. This is on the absolute longest setting for this strap. It is a very generous strap drop. Great crossbody length. I am 5'9". I'm really tall, so I have a lot of trouble with crossbodies ending up here a lot of the time. But this is nice and generous. You can swing it behind. It looks great behind as well. Let me shorten this strap, and it's just your normal type of strap here with the kind of the belt buckle feature. So I'm going to shorten it to the shortest setting so I can show you what that looks like. Now, the one thing I did notice when I got this and I was playing with this strap is I don't have a leather loop here to do anything with this. So this is going to be kind of flappy and weird. The only loop that they give you is up here. So just FYI. And this is on the shorter setting. So not a whole lot of difference here. It does hang up a little bit higher on the body if I wanted it to be higher. Let me show you as a long drop shoulder bag. If you're a shoulder bag person rather than a crossbody person, I think it's a little long to carry that way. It's kind of swinging around, but it's not terrible. You could always poke more holes in the strap if you wanted to be able to shorten it more. I don't know, just looking at this, that there's any way that you could double the strap. So you really are stuck with it as mostly a crossbody bag. But it is a really cute style, and I think the shape is awesome because it is a little more narrow. It really hugs against the body. It doesn't stick out super far and in your way, which is really nice. So that's all the time we have today, and I am really excited about this Gucci Soho Disco. I can't wait to try it out and see what I think of it, and then decide between this and the tote in terms of what I'm going to be keeping for my collection. Great bag. I totally get why it's so popular and why so many people have it. I love that it's pebbled leather. It's super durable. Even though I know there's going to be some structure loss, I'm hoping I can prevent that by using some sort of organizer. I will say that this one came with quite a few blemishes on the corners. So just so you know, this is going to be a stress point and a point where it's going to get wear. And I may do a follow-up video where I show how to clean and condition this bag because I feel like it needs a good cleaning. And bags like this that rub against jeans a lot, being worn crossbody, tend to get dye from jeans, and sometimes you can't even see it until you start cleaning it. So I'm definitely going to do a follow-up video cleaning this one and maybe talking about some leather care of some of my other handbags. So if you're interested in something like that, please, I hope that you'll subscribe and join me for my future videos. And if not, I do tons of other videos about handbags, reviews, comparisons, as well as unboxings. So if you love handbags, I hope that you'll subscribe and join me for my future videos. All right, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.